Okay, so let me just zoom out. Remember, we have wheel arch, right hand door, right hand wheel, left hand door, left hand front wheel, windscreen, dashboard, and the separation point that I had thought would be a good idea would be here, 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 there, 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 and there, so that which is the dashboard, and come off as a separate piece from the front piece, and then the assembly of the rear driver part, which goes this is the support for the driver seat, goes up. Let me see if I can support it and do the camera at the same time. There. So imagine the driver. Imagine this is all like that on the floor. All right. So the idea was that this part there, the driver's seat support and the roof, would all be one separate rigid part. So what I've been doing in order to preparation for the separation between these two parts, because I've got to rotate this back out, get this out the house, out the kitchen, and put this on the floor before I can assemble that, because this here is supposed to be a flat line. Then I can start on the roof as well. I can put on the back pieces, the wings across to the door frame, and things, put across the roof line. But so I've started putting in these bracing points. So that is not connected. That is not connected. That is not connected. There is no glue in there. So the whole point is that. And that is not connected either. So the whole point is that these 1, 2, 3, 4 can lift straight off. But to make sure that they're solid, what I've had to do is put a bracing piece. And this I used Araldite 5-minute epoxy. It should be solid now. At least it's not going to move. It'll be about another 30 minutes before it goes, and then 2 hours before it's really totally. No choice. And I've epoxied between this pipe and that one, between this bamboo and that pipe, between that one and that one. Again, this one is loose, this one is loose. It is not glued on there, and that is not glued on there. Bracing on there. But what's missing at the moment? So I just did the little pieces. So here, between here and here. Between there and there and there, there and there. There isn't one on this side because that's part of the front section. This is the dashboard piece, and then there's another 3 there. 1, 2, and 3 there. Actually, should be 4. There should be another one on the other side. Yes, there is. Did I remember to glue that one? Yes, I did. All right. So, oh yeah. Sorry, it's just the 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm missing one between there and there. So on that corresponding side, I'm missing one from there to there. I'll do that as a second batch. Now, pieces that are missing from here in this are a main strut from here to there, another main strut from there to there. Right, and this would allow, doing that would allow this to become the whole of this dashboard piece to become a rigid section. From there to there, from there to there. That's good. That's good. Ooh, really, we need. I mean, I'm kind of expecting this piece to be rigid because of the interlocking tetrahedrons here. But it can't do no harm to one, so probably need to put one from a bamboo strut from there to there, and there to there. And all of these ones that I'm describing, they sit parallel to, but are not connected to the corresponding ones that they are mirroring. There to there, and that should be it. That should be enough. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces that need to go in on there. And I'm just sort of thinking, why am I doing this? Why not instead secure the dashboard to here and then cut across the floor point? So there will be a piece across here. So this part here will be its own solid unit, or actually probably this one. So at a dead level line going across, chop. And the reason is quite simple, that that's not a self-supporting part, but then again the floor isn't self-supporting anyway until we've got these bracing parts in. And remember, the triple bracing was going to be going attached to here and going up. And likewise, you can see I have one already prepared and taped on. There's going to be another piece on there, and then it will join on at this point here. Likewise on the other side. So I think there's 4 pieces for the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what I'm suggesting to go just mulling over is just leaving the front one completely on and doing separation points here. So, and that will be a lot simpler. There would just need to be a bar across there between this one and that one, a bar across there, and a bar across from there to there, and then break the glue in here. And there wouldn't be anything out there because that's not attached. That's not actually attached. This would be attached to there. Likewise on the other side. And you can see there's nothing above that. Nothing. So honestly, I think that's a more sensible way to do it. But just have the floor and the driver's seat as one assembly, possibly with the roof. And this thing, the whole point of this was that it provided the roof support. This part, making that a complete structure. So dashboard, windscreen, roof, driver door, floor, back to a dashboard and footwell. Conundrum. Something to think about. Yeah, because this is a lot of work detaching this part. This is a lot of work preparing this. There's 8 pipes there rather than just the 3. 8 main pipes across there rather than just the 3. I need to think about this. Alright.